What's going on, guys? I'm Brian, and we're going to be doing an unboxing for some AI binoculars. These binoculars are made by MatataXplore. These are the Solvia 8x32 AI binoculars. What do you mean AI? That means you're going to be able to take photo and video with the binoculars, nothing else, just using the binoculars. And then it has an AI feature that will help you identify birds, plants, things like that. Let's get into the unboxing and see what we got in here. More of it. All right, so these are the 8x32 binoculars that come with its own little carrying strap. And we'll take this out of the bag there. And these are great. Again, if you go camping, if you go hiking, if you love nature, if you're a beginner birder, if you're an advanced birder, you know, these will help you be able to identify, again, using the AI, you can identify the birds, you can identify plants, animals, things of that nature. Let's take a look at this. All right, so we got the front caps on there. All right, so that'll help protect it when you're not using it. Also has rear caps as well. Let's go ahead and take those off as well. Let's pop those off. This is a super easy, functional, not high tech as far as user ability with this. Basically, all you have to do is power that on. All right, once it's powered on, you have two buttons. Well, three other buttons mainly. One to take a photo right there, boom, just take that photo, hit that when you're looking through, like, oh, you see what you like, just hit the photo button. All right, you want to do a recording, a video recording, got the red recording button right there. So you just looking through, like, oh, let me take a video, hit the recording button right there. And then you have your AI features. So you can actually be able to see on the fly when you guys take photos, videos, you'll be able to check that out. I believe it's just with the photos. I have to double check, but if you take a photo of a bird and you just hit that AI button, it's going to identify it. All right, so that's really an amazing little feature. It comes with its own CF card and a CF card reader, so you can unplug this and plug it into the reader, put it on your laptop, on your computer, be able to download it right to your computer. But what's even better than that is it actually has a free app. That's right, you can download the app and then you can connect your phone to the binoculars. You can even see a live view. So while that's going on with your phone, you can actually see a live view of what the person's looking at. So let's say you're at a sporting event, you know, whether it be a professional event or maybe it's your kid's track meet or your kid's baseball game. You can have someone actually checking it out, and you can have someone actually watching the what you see on your phone. All right, and even better, now you can actually download the photos and the videos right to your phone, and you can immediately send that off, whether you're texting it to your mom or grandma. Hey, check out what Billy here on the baseball team did. You know, he just hit his first home run. You need to be able to instantly share that. You can obviously do that to Facebook or any other platform as well. So amazing little binoculars. Let's see what else we have in the box here. This is the Pro box, but this again, the same binoculars come in. Let's go ahead and set that right up there. The same binoculars are in the base kit. So you get some extra adapters. This is for, you know, I believe it's like your circular polarizer that's going to, you know, for like water and skies and things like that. It'll enhance your photos. And you get the charger, so you get the USB charger in the box too. And one of the really cool things is, you know, being able to have this tripod mount. So you get this tripod mount. You're going to be able to put it, it'll attach to any tripod that has your standard screw in there. So you basically only show you how to do that. It's super simple as well. You got that front screw right here. You just unscrew that. Boom, just like that. And then you just screw that on. Boom. And then all you have to do is mount that onto your plate on your tripod. And then you are good to go. So you can actually have that, you know, that way you don't have to hold it. It's going to be in the same spot for a while, whether you're just out in the yard. And here I like to sit here and have a casual afternoon and just have this on the tripod. And if I see something fly in, I can quickly zoom over, pan over, and get some amazing shots. So, hey, you guys, I love these binoculars. They are super amazing. Get yours today. Check it out.